What's up guys, Rev here. 2020, am I right? This year has pretty much been a never-ending bukkake of bad news. But don't bother cleaning off your face quite yet. I have another load of bad news to add on. This time it's coming from the once respectable alternative, Patreon. So what's Patreon up to? Well, one day a couple of boomers gathered around the Patreon headquarters, put down their soy milk, and decided, you know that anime thing? Yeah, let's just get rid of it. That's right. Pretty much any art in the form of anime or anything close to it has already been removed or it's at risk of being removed in the future. Now, there have been several statements made by officials at Patreon regarding affected accounts, and their stance seems pretty clear. If it's anime, it's out. And the reason anime-related content is banned? You might have guessed it. Child endangerment. The old Swiss Army knife of bad takes relating to anime. And to make it clear, it pretty much doesn't matter what the character looks like in terms of its characteristics or features. Patreon will just assume it's a child. In fact, look at this email response to one creator. So things like breast size, hip size, actual age, they don't even factor in. The most important thing according to them is the face, which even if it's on an adult character, it can be considered a child if it's too innocent looking. In other words, every anime character is potentially a child, and posting any art using anime is child endangerment in the eyes of Patreon. Just a mind-boggling and lazy justification to get rid of an entire art style on their platform. I honestly believe this whole thing is happening because Patreon got a few complaints about not safe for work content, and they were just too lazy to curate anime-related content, so they just banned all of it. And I've come to expect laziness from a company that's founded on sitting back and profiting from the work of others. Patreon is yet another social media website to fall into the same cycle. It begins with people being dissatisfied with how creators are being treated on one platform, which inspires the creation or growth of an alternative, in this case Patreon, which claims to be a creator-friendly website devoted to freedom of expression and acceptance of all forms of art and creativity. Then the money starts rolling in, and they start clamping down on creators. Then a loud minority starts complaining about nonsensical issues, and the company gives in to them for whatever reason, and then we're left with everything that the site said it wouldn't be. A non-creator friendly site that spends more time banning content and forcing their morals onto others than doing what they're actually supposed to do. And that's help creators share what they do. I know this will hurt a lot of artists and cosplayers, and I really do hope there's other alternatives out there. That's about it. I'll see you guys next time.